Hi, welcome to Charlie's Toolbox. You know, a while back someone got this brilliant idea that they should tear my chainsaw apart for no good reason. So today I thought, why don't we put it back together? I mean, fortunately, the main important part is still in one piece, so the rest is pretty easy actually. And one of the first things I want to do is give it a bit more of a cleaning, because this was all filled with gunk and stuff, but I took a screwdriver and cleaned out the worst of it. But I want to just give it a little extra with giving it a shot of compressed air. So, that should do it. So, what we have to do is get the bar and chain back on the saw and motor. And the way we do that, it's not totally simple because there's a bunch of other parts here that have to get to put on there. But we put this on, we put the bar back on. There's another piece to go on here. And you have to get the chain on. That's kind of important on a chainsaw. And putting it on the right way is probably important. So what we want to do is hook it back here behind the clutch so it can grab. And then we just run it along the bar. I'm going to roll it right in there. Nobody said this was an easy job. There. Make sure everything's all lined up. And then got to make a little adjustment here still. There's an adjusting screw in the back. Just to tighten that chain up. We'll get that later. So we got that. And we put this on here. Not everything goes back as easy as you might think. And then these nuts go on here. When we've got this all set up here with the chain, it's going to need a lot of adjustment because it's really loose. And if I'm right, I'm actually, I'm going the wrong way. You know, that can happen once in a while. We go the wrong way. Anyway, when that's all done, I'm going to tighten it up with this special wrench that has a screwdriver on it and the right size for these nuts. That's essentially how that works. And when I've got that set up, I'm going to have the chainsaw being better than it was before. Now you might think, this being Easter and all, that I'm aiming for the idea of resurrection here somehow. And you're right. Although this isn't exactly a resurrection, but it's the general idea. Something broken has been brought back together, even better than it was before. So what is resurrection? Well, at this time of year we might think of plants coming out of the seemingly dead ground, or we might think of something that comes back, like time together with families, which a lot of people are doing these days because they're stuck together inside the homes in isolation. That too it's kind of a resurrection. But the thing about Easter is that it's not about resurrection just being an event that happened a long time ago. It's actually about what does Jesus' resurrection mean to us? Jesus' resurrection, it gives us hope for new life, not just now, but in the future, far away. It gives us hope that whatever we face today, there's something better for us ahead, somewhere. And in John 20, 1-18, we read how Mary Magdalene went to visit Jesus' grave, only to find that the stone that was keeping the hole at the end of it closed had been rolled away. And the tomb was empty. Empty. Nobody, nothing in there. Jesus' self-isolation was over, you could say. And that event would change their lives forever, just as it can change our lives. As we are these days in hiding in our own tombs of self-isolation, it might be a good time to remember what the resurrection is about. It's not just the event. It's what the event means to us. And remember that the stone is still moved away and the tomb is empty. And it's all because Christ is risen.